The Ryco RST223 spin-on filter removal and install tool. It's a must-have for any truck workshop, especially those working on Japanese trucks. Designed to fit 120mm spin-on Ryco filters, the RST223 also fits other original equipment and aftermarket filters of the 120mm diameter and the 16 flute design. The tool ensures a non-slip fit over the filter itself, locking in on the flutes. And using a 1/2-inch drive, the RST223 will save you time and the potential hassle, easily removing stubborn filters with one simple movement. The heavy-duty, all-steel construction is solid and it will handle the knocks of life in the workshop. With the coverage and convenience of the Ryco commercial filter range, plus the tools to make the service job easier, ask your Ryco stockist for an RST223 on your next order. Thank you for watching.